Read the story from your textbook. Unit 25, Lessons 1 to 2. Ask and answer. 1. What are the chicks doing at the beginning of the story? 2. Who is not working at the beginning of the story? What are they doing? 3. Why can't dog, mouse, and duck have any bread? 4. Look at the first picture. What is Mother Hen doing? Do activity A from your textbook. Read the following sentences and say if they're true or false. If false, then give the correct answer. Group work. What is the moral of the story? 1. It's fun to play and laugh. 2. Good things come to people who work. 3. Everyone can have good things. Good things come to people who work. Read the story again. Underline the punctuation. Complete the sentences. Complete the sentences. There are 2 full stops in the story. There are 4 question marks in the story. There are 8 exclamation marks in the story. There are 25 capital letters in the story. Dictation. Write the sentences in your exercise book that your teacher dictates.